EMG provides premium aluminum windows and doors for Australia, backed by expertise and innovation since 2019. With a factory in Guangzhou, China, and branches abroad, we bridge the gap by delivering innovative, tailored aluminum windows and door solutions. Our dedicated teams manage every detail, from seamless communication to expert design and precision manufacturing. So you don't just get a product, but a partner you can trust to bring your vision to life, hassle-free. EMG offers a full range of products, including louvers, bifold doors, sliding doors, sliding windows, awnings, and casement windows. Designed to meet all your energy efficiency and security needs, each product is crafted with precision and backed by top-tier safety and quality assurance. Whether you choose from our standard systems or opt for fully customized solutions, EMG provides in-house extrusion and testing to guarantee the highest quality, ensuring your home is both stylish and secure. EMG offers a custom selection of aluminum windows and doors to meet diverse framing and installation needs. Built for Australia's diverse climates, our products ensure durability and performance year-round. We deliver stylish and strong solutions that protect your home, no matter the design or climate needs. Our versatile 100 and 150 series, made with thicker aluminum, are perfect for all regions of Australia, offering premium quality at a higher price point. The 80 series, with a smaller frame, is ideal for smaller windows and doors, commonly used in Melbourne and Adelaide. EMG has even more series with different specifications to ensure we have the perfect solution for every project. No matter the size or style, each EMG product is crafted with high-quality glass, aluminum, and hardware to ensure lasting performance. Our focus is on providing reliable solutions that meet the needs of the home with durability and precision. We've completed numerous projects across Australia, with highlights in Sydney, such as apartments in Ashfield and duplexes in Marsfield, trusted by clients for both commercial and residential projects. We deliver customized solutions that cater to each project's unique needs. Our work throughout and beyond demonstrates our commitment to high quality, locally adapted products and services that our clients can rely on. Follow us for more on high-performance aluminum windows and doors.